Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming requirements. Make sure your iPhone 16 Pro runs the latest iOS, battery above 20%, and Wi-Fi active. Next, enable Apple Intelligence in settings under Siri and Search. Grant microphone, camera, and location permissions so features can work. Sign into your Apple ID with two-factor authentication. This links device intelligence to your data. Once done, restart the phone to finalize permission handshakes, and you're ready to invoke the assistant with the side button or Hey Siri. Now you configure behavior and practice key workflows. Open settings to tune summaries, proactive suggestions, and privacy levels so responses use local versus cloud processing as you prefer. Use the side button or Hey Siri to start composing drafts, make calls, or ask context-aware follow-ups that reference apps on screen. Try live text to extract phone numbers and request on-device summaries of long articles. This speeds workflow. Make sure to test inline writing suggestions inside mail and notes so you understand latency and accuracy. Finish by validating outcomes. Review recent interactions and privacy settings so you know what's stored and what remains local. If Apple Intelligence feels slow or gives odd results, force quit the active app, toggle intelligence off and on, then reboot. This clears transient caches. Make sure microphone and app permissions haven't been revoked. If problems persist, reset intelligence settings in Siri preferences. As a last resort, sign out of your Apple ID. Sign back in and re-enable features. This typically resolves stubborn sync or authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.